OpenAI has just dropped a bombshell on the tech world. GPT-5 is finally here, and it's more powerful, smarter, and faster than anything we've ever seen before. This isn't just another AI upgrade, this is a massive leap forward in artificial intelligence, and the things GPT-5 can do will leave you speechless. In this video, we'll explore what makes GPT-5 so different, why it's a game changer, and how it could completely change the way we live, work, and create. Chapter 1. The big reveal. After months of speculation, leaks, and endless rumors, OpenAI has officially announced GPT-5. And it's not just an incremental update. This is a complete transformation of what AI is capable of. GPT-5 is bigger, faster, and far more advanced than GPT-4. It can process information at lightning speed, generate human-like responses with astonishing accuracy, and handle complex tasks that older models struggled with. According to OpenAI, GPT-5 has been trained on one of the largest datasets ever created. It's not just about more data, it's about better data, smarter training, and revolutionary improvements in reasoning and decision-making. Chapter 2. Smarter than ever. So what exactly makes GPT-5 so insane? The biggest upgrade is its intelligence. GPT-5 has advanced reasoning abilities that make it feel less like a chatbot and more like an actual problem solver. It can plan, analyze, and strategize in ways that GPT-4 simply couldn't. For example, GPT-5 can now take on multi-step tasks without constant human input. It remembers context better, understands subtle instructions, and can even generate original ideas with near-human creativity. Imagine having an AI that can draft an entire business plan, write a novel, debug complex code, and manage your daily schedule, all flawlessly. That's the power of GPT-5. Chapter 3. Multimodal power. One of the most exciting breakthroughs in GPT-5 is its full multimodal capability. Unlike GPT-4, which had limited image processing, GPT-5 can seamlessly handle text, images, audio, and even video all at the same time. You can upload a photo, and GPT-5 will describe it in detail, edit it, or even create a related image instantly. You can give it a video clip, and it can summarize, analyze, or repurpose it into an article or social media post. This takes AI beyond conversation and into true creative collaboration. And here's the wild part. GPT-5 can now generate realistic voices and high-quality video simulations. We're entering a future where AI isn't just talking to you, it's creating content with you. Chapter 4. AI agents and automation. Another groundbreaking feature of GPT-5 is its integration with autonomous AI agents. Think of it as AI that doesn't just give you answers, it takes action. Need to book a flight? Order supplies, or analyze financial data? GPT-5 can now connect to external tools, interact with APIs, and automate tasks without constant human supervision. Businesses are already looking at GPT-5 as a way to cut costs, speed up workflows, and innovate faster than ever before. We're talking about AI-powered customer service, AI-driven marketing campaigns, and even AI-led research projects. This could transform entire industries, and for some, it could even replace entire job roles. Chapter 5. Personalized intelligence. Another major leap forward is personalization. GPT-5 learns and adapts to you. Unlike previous versions that treated every conversation as separate, GPT-5 remembers your preferences, your tone, and your goals. It's like having a personal AI assistant that understands who you are, what you need, and how you like things done. This opens up endless possibilities, from personalized learning and coaching to AI companions that feel almost human. But it also raises some big questions about privacy and data security. Chapter 6. The ethical dilemma. As powerful as GPT-5 is, it also comes with serious challenges. OpenAI has already acknowledged the risks. There are growing concerns about misinformation, deepfakes, and AI-generated scams. With GPT-5's ability to create hyper-realistic voices and videos, detecting what's real and what's fake is going to become a lot harder. And then there's the question of jobs. Automation powered by GPT-5 could replace millions of roles in customer support, content creation, marketing, software development, and more. OpenAI says they've built stronger safety systems into GPT-5, including advanced detection tools and usage controls. But make no mistake, we're entering uncharted territory. Chapter 7. How GPT-5 will change your life. Despite the risks, GPT-5 brings incredible opportunities. It has the potential to revolutionize education, healthcare, business, and creativity. Students can use GPT-5 to learn faster with personalized tutoring. Doctors can analyze medical data with greater accuracy. Entrepreneurs can launch businesses faster with AI-powered planning and marketing. And for creators, GPT-5 is like having an entire production team at your fingertips. It can write, edit, design, compose, and generate high-quality content instantly. This isn't just the next step in AI. This is the beginning of a new era of human-AI collaboration. Chapter 8. The Road Ahead. OpenAI says GPT-5 is just the beginning. Future versions will become even smarter, more capable, and more integrated into our daily lives. We're heading toward a world where AI doesn't just assist us, it works alongside us as a partner. A future where every individual can have their own personal AI, customized and optimized to meet their unique needs. But with great power comes great responsibility. The way we handle GPT-5 today will shape the future of AI for generations. GPT-5 isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. It's smarter, faster, and more powerful than anything we've seen before. And it's only the beginning. The question is, are we ready for what's coming next? Because one thing is certain: the AI future is here. And it's insane.